Explicit Resource Management, and this one is immediately practical. The problem it solves is familiar to anyone who's written code that works with resources, database connections, file handles, network sockets, timers. The pattern is always the same. You open something, you use it, and you need to close it when you're done. And the fragile part is always that cleanup step, because if anything goes wrong between opening and closing, you have a leak. ES2026 introduces a using keyword that handles this automatically. When you declare something with using, the runtime guarantees that it gets cleaned up when the current scope exits, whether that's because the function returned normally, because an error was thrown, whatever. There's also an async version called await using for resources that need asynchronous cleanup. The object just needs to implement a specific dispose method, and the language takes it from there. TypeScript already supports this as of version 5.4. Node.js has it natively. If you're writing any kind of server-side code that opens and closes resources, this is worth adopting now.